this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the opacity of your shapes in Google Slides. So if you have any shape that you have just added on your slide and you like to go ahead and make the background to be transparent, then let me show you how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and insert a shape. So for instance, I'll go ahead and insert an oval shape like this, and here is our shape. So I'll resize it, but the problem is you can see it is so opaque that I can't see the other side. Now to change this, we have to go ahead and reduce the opacity, and we can simply do this by clicking on color fill here and then click on this add a custom color, which is a plus, and here you can see now you can either change the custom color or you can now move this backward to make it opaque. So for instance, if I leave it at that and then click on OK, now you can see it is somehow transparent or translucent. If you're not satisfied with the current status, you can still go ahead and again click on this plus and move this further backward until you are satisfied. So that's how you can change the opacity of your shapes in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.